Ferrara has been manufacturing some of the finest custom fire trucks since 1982. We've become one of the most progressive and innovative fire apparatus manufacturers in the fire industry today. We own and operate a 150,000 square foot manufacturing facility in Holden, Louisiana. This facility was designed and laid out solely to produce fire trucks, allowing Ferrara to manufacture a wide range of emergency vehicles. Inferno offers major improvements in all of the important areas: better cab design, operation, driver visibility, maintenance, air conditioning, and ergonomics. From the beginning, we designed Inferno to set the highest safety standards possible. It's beautiful, but Inferno's beauty is more than skin deep. We attack the things that make a difference day in and day out. We listen to what you wanted every time you leave the station. You asked for a cab that's built like a tank. Here it is. The Inferno's cab is designed with your safety in mind. We've used the heaviest material in the industry, 3/16-inch thick aluminum plate with heavy interlocking extrusions for maximum safety and durability. We added the unique bumper reinforcement using a wraparound 10-inch rolled channel made of 1/4-inch thick steel. That makes it the toughest in the industry, and we're the only one to offer it. Then we installed a heavy polished stainless steel bumper over that. You asked for a cab that rides like a fine automobile. Here it is, too. We've created a special front suspension that uses 10 leaves at optimum length to give 3 full inches of travel and the smoothest possible ride. The Inferno steering system is unbeatable, too. It's the first ever to be exclusively vendor certified from column to axle. Others pick their components from various sources, building a steering system that inevitably offers poor geometry, rough handling, and divided responsibility when problems occur. To give you better handling, we knew we had to have complete control of every component, including the steering gear, pitman arm, and drag link. We optimized them all to exactly match the Inferno suspension and axle geometry. As a result, Inferno offers handling characteristics that are unmatched in the industry. Improvements include reduced bump steering effects and a steering wheel that readily returns to center without driver assistance after coming out of a turn. If we were in the business of building homes, architects would call Inferno a great room with vaulted ceilings. That's because Inferno comes with a raised roof as standard equipment. It provides an amazing 66 inches of headroom in the crew area. The interior provides a wide open feeling, and the quality appointments let you know Inferno is in a class by itself. The Inferno's oversized doors open a full 90 degrees without interference to give firefighters the maximum amount of room during entry and exit. Inside, the seating positions have been optimized for better visibility. The spacious 96-inch wide cab offers unmatched elbow and leg room. Best of all, the driver experiences something never before possible: complete control at his fingertips. Inferno offers up to 11 multiplex switches conveniently mounted in the steering wheel. You can control the air horns, electronic siren, Q2B siren, headlights, secondary braking system, and other chassis functions without taking your hands off the steering wheel. Another Inferno exclusive. The industry paradigm for driver visibility has always been, how many square inches of windshield are there? Inferno's windshields are big enough, 4,100 square inches to be exact, but there's something extra that makes Inferno special. By improving windshield placement, lowering the dash and the engine enclosure, we've achieved an amazing 43.1 degree field of view, 10.5 degrees above eye level and 32.6 degrees below. That means an average driver can see the ground just 8 feet 2 inches in front of the cab skin and can see traffic lights overhead without leaning forward. In addition to its tremendous forward visibility, the Inferno has the largest side windows in the industry to let the driver and passengers view traffic movements or analyze the fire scene. The Inferno's unique glove box has a special slide-out tray to hold your laptop computer. You can also use the tray to complete paperwork on the way back from a call. You don't have to worry about a stiff neck anymore, because now you can work facing straight ahead. A specially designed gooseneck aircraft map light provides additional lighting and is post-mounted for ease of use. With the ever-increasing importance of rehab, it's no surprise that you asked for an air conditioning system that really works. We went all out on this one. The first question our design team asked was, why measure air conditioning in BTUs when we can measure it in tons? After an extensive examination of worst-case scenarios, we determined that a cooling capacity of 6 tons was needed. You get that much and more. Enough capacity to cool a 2,400 square foot home. And just like a modern home, the cooling system is divided into front and rear zones, each with its own controls and separate compressor and condenser. The forward zone has individual left and right dash-mounted units for cooling and heating. Each blows conditioned air up at the windshield for maximum defrosting or can provide cozy floor heat in the winter. The rear zone is designed for quick rehab. It has its own 3-ton cooling unit mounted under the rear seats. Chilled air emerges from vents in the roof to fall through the entire cabin space, providing uniform cooling. In the winter, the unit delivers 48,000 BTUs of heat. Let's face it, many fire trucks are bought or specified by mechanics. And mechanics everywhere told us they wanted improved access, simplified troubleshooting, segregated electrical and air circuits, and consolidated diagnostics. Inferno's state-of-the-art electrical system is coded by number, color, and function throughout. We also offer an exclusive indexed wiring catalog. Each wire is classified into subsystems using a special numbering system. The first number tells you which circuit group the wire belongs to, while the next two uniquely specify the individual wire. A quick look at the supplied chart gives you instant identification. To simplify troubleshooting, we've run all electrical lines down the driver's side, while all air lines run down the passenger side. Each airline is identified using the industry-standard Bendix color coding system. A simple glance overhead shows the driver the closed status of every single door and panel on the vehicle, and even who's not wearing their seatbelt. Finally, you asked us to do something about engine tunnel hatches that leak hot air. So we've completely sealed the engine tunnel with only a single small door where we've placed all fluid checks for easy maintenance. Otherwise, the engine tunnel is completely sealed, minimizing hot air leaks and cutting heat buildup in the cab. In the Inferno, we tunnel electric supply circuits straight through the frame instead of looping cables over the top where they can be nicked or damaged during servicing. Our exterior mounted battery boxes are constructed of 7-gauge corrosion-resistant stainless steel that will last a lifetime. Ferrara's Inferno comes with a long list of standard items designed to increase the safety and durability of the unit. The Inferno is an extremely flexible chassis, carefully designed to offer outstanding quality and performance. A wide variety of cab configurations are available, from our medium 4-door raised roof to a giant 4-door cab with a special roof configuration. The Inferno's chassis provides the foundation for our newest model, the Igniter. This series is designed for the department that needs top-end safety features and durability, but is willing to economize on some features. See your local Ferrara dealer or sales representative for more details on our new Igniter chassis. All Inferno and Igniter models come with Allison automatic transmissions and your choice of Cummins or Detroit diesel engines. Every model features an oversized 1,250 square inch radiator designed for high engine stress applications. Available engines on the Igniter range from 300 to 350 horsepower, while the Inferno can be supplied with up to 500 horsepower. This concludes our presentation of the Inferno Series custom chassis. When you are in the market for an emergency vehicle, think of Ferrara Fire Apparatus Incorporated.